Canon is about to change the mirrorless game, again. For years, the EOS R6 series has been the ultimate hybrid choice for photographers and filmmakers, combining professional performance with creator-friendly design. But now, as we approach November 2025, all eyes are on the next big reveal, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. According to fresh leaks and insider reports, this isn't just a small refresh. It's a massive leap forward, featuring a rumored 30-megapixel stacked full-frame sensor, AI-powered autofocus, 6K RAW video recording, and next-gen image stabilization that could crush the competition. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. And that's not all. Canon is reportedly set to announce this camera alongside 4 brand new RF lenses, making this one of the most important launches of the year. With Nikon's Z6 III and Sony's A7V waiting in the wings, Canon's move here could redefine the entire mid-tier full-frame market. So in today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the upcoming Canon R6 Mark III, from its design changes and rumored specs, to its pricing, release date, and how it could shake up the world of hybrid cameras in 2025 and beyond. Stay tuned, because if these leaks are true, the R6 Mark III might just become the most powerful all-round mirrorless camera Canon has ever made. For photographers, filmmakers, and hybrid creators alike, the name Canon stands as a pillar of reliability, innovation, and optical heritage, from its top-tier cinema cameras to its versatile mirrorless systems. Among its acclaimed bodies, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II has emerged as a go-to full-frame hybrid for both stills and video. But as 2025 presses on, rumors and leaks are pointing to a horizon shift. The anticipated Canon EOS R6 Mark III, reportedly slated for a formal announcement in November 2025, promises to raise the bar again. According to trusted sources within the Canon ecosystem, this isn't simply a modest update. It appears to be a strategic leap aimed at redefining Canon's mid-to-upper full-frame mirrorless offering, closing the gap between enthusiast and pro-tier, and sharpening its competitive edge against rivals like Nikon and Sony. The story begins with the market context. The R6 Mark II arrived November 2022 and became a mammoth hit thanks to its 24MP full-frame sensor, buttery autofocus, in-body image stabilization, and 4K 60 internal video. Yet the mirrorless world has marched on. Stacked sensors, faster readouts, AI-driven autofocus, greater video flexibility, and more integration with creator workflows are becoming standard expectations. Canon watchers have long predicted that the R6 series replacement would arrive sooner rather than later. Indeed, the earliest rumors pointed toward a May 2025 release window. But as the year progressed, those whispers shifted toward a later slot, and more recently the best-cited date emerging from Canon rumors and other tracking outlets is mid-November 2025, with November 16th being prominently mentioned. What might this R6 Mark III bring? The leaked specification talk is bold. One of the most shared rumors is the introduction of a new stacked full-frame sensor, likely in the 30MP range, or perhaps 30.3MP, which would improve readout speeds, reduce rolling shutter, and permit higher burst rates. Also expected is the next-generation Digic accelerator, paired with Canon's current flagship image processor, which would aid in autofocus, burst capture, noise reduction, and even AI-powered in-camera corrections. Video capabilities are rumored to be enhanced. 6K